What is up guys, my name is Chase and today is a very exciting day because we got our hands on the Sony A7 IV. This is going to hopefully, fingers crossed, be our new camera baby. I think it's been 3 years since I got the Sony A6400, which super duper enjoyed. I'm probably still going to be using it a lot. But anyway, let's open up the camera and then I'll start talking, I guess. Wow, I think this feels like it's probably like the strap or something. I know, this is the USB-C cable. So it comes with a USB-C to USB-A cable. Got all of our paperwork here. Wow, so here's the actual strap. I believe this is a neck strap. We also have, wow, and this is like, I don't know what to even call this, like microfiber. I don't know, it feels very recyclable, I hope. Got a nice little USB wall adapter to actually charge the camera. We also have the battery, which, wow, going from my little APS-C A6400 camera to this is a big honkin' battery. Hopefully we'll get a lot of juice out of this. We have, this looks like the lens. So I got the kit. I believe this is it's 28 to 70 millimeter, f3.5 to 5.6. We also got a nice little hood for our lens. And then we got the actual thing itself. Oh my god. Oh boy. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. The Sony Alpha7 IV. Wowee, this is a chunky monkey. Wow, this is like a substantial feeling camera. Oh my god. I believe that's everything in the box, so we got ourselves a nice little display box. But here's a look around the Sony A7 IV. Wow, it's a very chunky camera. Definitely much larger than the A6400. Ooh, and what I'm most excited about, our flippy screen. So, flips out like that, we can turn it and do all this fun stuff. One of the small drawbacks with the A6400 is that the screen can only tilt upwards. So if you have like a microphone mounted on top of your camera, then you obviously can't see the screen. A little bit of a bummer that it does not come with a proper like battery charger. I always like hate that with Sony cameras, is I feel like the least they could do is include a proper battery charger. I'm gonna have to separately buy the battery charger, which is like, oh boy. Anyway, what do you say, let's go set this up really quick and I'll do a quick little video test here. Alright guys, so I have to hurry up with this test because I just charged the camera barely enough for it to turn on. But this is what we look like. Hi, this is the A7 IV. How do we look in a full frame mirrorless camera? Hopefully we look kinda cool. But yeah, this is just a quick little test with the A7 IV. I gotta get back to charging it. If you guys want to see more of my videos all about my camera gear, feel free to check them out below. For now, thank you guys so much for watching my unboxing of the Sony Alpha7 IV. My name is Chase and I will see you guys again soon. Bye.